Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to make a web form on Visual Basics 2008. Let's go ahead and open a new project. We'll name it to whatever. Okay, so we'll open our little form, which we will change to a web browser. You can change it to any size you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a little small, no biggie. We're gonna name the title to web browser, and we're gonna take our icon off because I hate icons. So it'd be web browser, no icon, and our big box. Okay, in toolbox, go ahead and add a web browser, which should automatically be in your toolbox. Click on the little arrow and resize it. Now, you can make this whatever size you want. I don't really care. My next video, I'm going to show you how to make two web browsers in one form, and also how to make a Xfire tool and other stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our buttons. So button 1, this will be our go button. I hate when it does that. Button 2, this will be our back, our stop. Button 4 will be your forward. Button 5 will be refresh, and button 6 will be our home. Okay, so now we get all our buttons done. Let's go ahead and add a text box. So here's our text box. You can resize it to whatever you want. We'll go ahead and click on your text box and add text for type URL here, so people will know where to type their URL at. Okay, so let's name our button so we'll know what we're clicking on. Button 1 will be go. Button 2 will be back. Button 3 will be stop. Button 4 will be forward. Button 5 will be refresh, and button 6 will be home. Okay, so now we got our buttons made. Let's go ahead and add our code. So double click on your text, go back to form, and double click on your go button. Okay, so now we type in web browser 1 dot navigate text box 1 dot text. That's all we type, so that should be easy to type. And go back and double click on back. Click on web browser 1 dot go back. Stop will be web browser 1 dot stop. Forward will be web browser 1 dot forward. Go forward. Web browser refresh will be web browser 1 dot refresh. Yeah. And then home, web browser 1 dot home. Go home. There we go. Okay, so now we have everything done. I want to go ahead and teach you how to add a picture button box. All you have to do is just add a picture, and it's local. Let's put a picture in there. Our picture will be MSN for today. Open, click on the little arrow, click stretch image, which should automatically fix it, but you can also change the size. So just double click on it, type in web browser 1 dot navigate www.msn.com. So it'll take us to msn.com. So when we click on it, it'll take us to MSN. Also, change the cursor of it to hand, so you'll see what you're clicking on. You can also change the colors of everything and the fonts. So let's test this out. Okay, here is our browser. So now I didn't do something right. I just forgot to click on the URL. Okay, http www.google.com. Okay, so it should automatically add Google. So let's test this again. Okay, it took us to Google. So now we type in our URL. So we'll go to www.youtube.com. We'll go to www.filetube.com. Okay, so it'll take us to places. This is a good place to go to install stuff. So you can download stuff here. Okay, go back, forward. Our stop automatically works. We got refresh, and then home, which my home is root security. And our button, which we made, our image. Click on it. See how our hand cursor changes to the hand. And it'll take us to MSN. So this is how you make a web browser and a form. In my next video, I'll be making 2 web browsers in one form, and also other stuff. So comment my tutorial, and thank you for watching.